Welcome back with another tutorial. Hopefully in this video I can show you a better understanding of what a eBay dropshipping website is. So basically this is the front end of the website. If you haven't seen like the first part of me showing you guys how to install this website, please watch that one also. This is the front end of the website. These are the categories. We can change the no problem. As you can see, we can edit the front end of the website using Elementor Pro. As you can see, these millennial websites come packed with Elementor Pros and other Pro premium plugins. But hopefully today I can better show you guys this whole process of drop shipping from AliExpress through eBay via the websites. So let's visit the dashboard. Luckily today we have a new order from eBay, and I'm gonna show you guys the process of fulfill these orders, and we're gonna purchase these orders and ship this item to our customers. And then at the end of this video I will show you guys how to import the products from AliExpress through our websites. And then the next video I will show you guys how to sync that product to eBay. Okay, let's get started. So when somebody purchases the order from eBay, we will get a notification. We'll get notified for that order, and we'll get the information for the customers. We can go over here, click on order. So this is my customers. They purchased 6 hours ago, and the item is a helmet visor. So all we have to do is just hit this order fulfillment. Okay, now you can see it's popped up a new tab over here. Now it's just doing itself. As you can see, it show you the steps, and just give it a little bit of time. It will fill out all the customer information for us. In that case, we're not going to make any error for the customer address, so we won't have to worry about shipping the item to the wrong address. Now it's just doing it itself. Let me fast forward until this whole order is finished, and then I'll come back. Okay, now it's finished filling the customer order information. Now all we have to do is just hit the pay now button. But first, let's check out, see all the informations. Okay, so everything seems right. The estimate delivery time is 7 days. So within 10 days, the customer should be able to see their order item. And all we have to do is just hit pay now for this order. But let me change something. As you see it right here, the default software give the seller the comments over here. We can change this default setting by going to our website. We'll go to settings, and then on the comment settings we'll change that default note. We can change this as please keep this order as a drop shipping order. Okay, now we're safe. All of our next orders will have this default message. Now that I have changed the comment for this order, all we have to do now is just hit the pay now option. We have to enter our payment method and set up the AliExpress account first, but I'm just showing you guys the whole process of how this thing work. Okay, so all we have to do is just hit pay now for this order. Okay guys, that's it. After we confirm our expiration date for our Visa cards, the payment went through. So now the supplier will fulfill our order for us. It means they will pack the item and they will ship it to the address of our customers. And all we have to do now is just wait for the tracking number for this order so we can update the tracking information on eBay. Okay guys, let me show you guys something real quick. Let's go to our order. We can sync the tracking numbers automatically if we have a lot of order. We can hit over here to tracking sync all. That means we can click or unclick these check over here, or we can do over here track syncing, but because we just put in the order, the tracking number is not available yet, as you can see, so we're not going to hit. But once we check our app on our phone or check the AliExpress website and we see the tracking number is available, we can just head over here to sync the tracking number. Okay, let's go over ali2woo plugin. Let's go to, okay, let's search products. There are two ways to add product to our website. We can go over here and search for certain products and we can hit search. It's great if you want to add products on the go on your smartphone. You can do that here. As you can see, we can just hit add to import list. That's it. That's how we add product to our website, and then we can go to our import list to edit these products. And I can easily add products on the go using just my phone. Sometimes when I have some time to kill on the train or on an airplane or something, wherever I have the internet, I can simply add products just like that. You can see I have a few products over here already. We can change the title. We can add it to our categories. We can change the descriptions of the products. This product doesn't have any description. Let's see if this one does. Oh, it's still loading, but we have the variations for these products also. And as you can see over here, we have the cost price for these products, and then shipping unknown. Oh, here we are. And then we have the price for these products. These are the selling price, and this is the compare price, and this is our profit. The inventory, I try to keep this number very low because when I list on eBay, because some eBay account has a limit on the listing you can sell each month, so I'm just trying to keep these numbers very low, and then I can set these inventory sync with AliExpress, and I set the eBay product syncing with the WooCommerce, so the whole thing is basically automated, so you don't have to worry about these numbers change. Okay, so let's go to our settings. I'll go through real quick, then yeah. Okay, so These settings are actually my settings. As you can see, we can use the random number for the stock from 2 to 3. So our stocks for each listing will be randomized. As you can see, we can sync from AliExpress, and these are the functions what happens when the product is no longer available. We move it to trash, etc. So you can go through this very simple and straightforward. This is the override phone number. I try to keep this as my phone numbers instead of my customers. If anything, AliExpress will contact you instead of contact your customers, and then you have no idea of what going on with the order. Okay, and let's go over the pricing rule. I try to multiply my product cost by 2, and this is the compare price. So the product used to be this price, but you put it on sale for this price, basically. You can change these yourself, and then we have the assign cents. Over here we have the advanced pricings. We can add the rules for our listing. So it's very simple and easy. Over here is our API key. We need this key for the Chrome extension actually. Okay, so let's say we want to add products straight from AliExpress. We can do that too. All we have to do is just okay, go over here, save all the setting. It will pop up the link for you to get the Chrome extension. Okay, over here all we have to do is hit the add Chrome extension. Because I already added, I don't want to remove it, but once you add it, it's right over here. We can hit the option over here to add our store. Over here are the API key. We can just paste this here and then hit the add store. It's very simple and easy. But once you get this done, we can go over AliExpress. We can source products over here. We can add, let's say, Bluetooth speaker. We can search the products over here, and we can sort them by like orders, by newest, by price. We can actually want the suppliers to be available in the United States, so we can shorten the delivery time. As you can see, like this one over here, they use USPS, and we have the imports button right here. We can just hit this button, and then it will import this listing to our website. So once that's done, we can hit the open the import list, and voila, we are back in our website, and we can okay, let's go through this order. So the product cost is 31, 29, 28. These are shipped from China, United States, Russia, and Spain. I don't want these. I only want them from the United States. So the product cost is 29. So basically it's 30, and we are selling it at 60, and this is our profit. And let's go through the products. So usually I change the title to make it more appeal to my customers. You don't have to worry about the descriptions images, because in the setting earlier you have the option to like tick the box if you want the images in the description or not. I don't want the pictures in the description because it will make the listing on eBay look weird. The variations, you can actually change the price here if you want to, and the inventory number. The images over here, I'll pick the best image for my listing, and you can choose the main image here. Okay, once we're done, we can hit the push to shop. That's it. Okay, now that we visit the front end of our website, you can see right here the new arrival section. We have this product right here. We can click over here. Now the product is $60, and we will sell this. We make $30 for this product, and we have all the descriptions here. Yeah, you can change these. It's very simple. All we have to do is just hit edit product. We have the additional information for this product, and these settings, these additional information will get imported to eBay also. So it's very convenient for us to start a dropshipping business. Okay, so in the next video I will go through the settings for your eBay. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this videos, and if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channels for more videos like this. In the next video I will go through the eBay plugin, so you can send all your products from WooCommerce to eBay account. For the settings for this ali2woo plugin, you guys can apply that to your own websites. The plugin costs about $60. You guys can purchase this and apply it to your websites. And if you don't already have a website and you want to create a easy website, I create a video show you guys how to install the WordPress websites, just like the one I show you in this video. That one has all the pro plugins that fit for this business model. It's take you less than 10 minutes to install the website like this, and then you can apply all the settings I just show you in this video. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe. I will be truly appreciated. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.